Alright, I went out and got the new part, now a day later, and I'm hoping that this is going to stick right onto there like that. Yet to be determined. I got to take an exact measurement and see how it goes in there. But either way, this is coming off today, right now. I'm gonna ground this down so that way this fits up in there real nice. Right there. You can see how it ain't exactly true. A little better. That burned through a little bit there. Gotta turn her down a notch. Alright, one more weld to do on the back side of that puppy. And she should be golden, honey boy. Alright, we are pretty much finished here. I just put the wheel on to stage it so you can see the finished product. All I have to do now is put, I lost the C-clip that goes to here. And my solution for that is just to weld a washer on top. It ain't no church, so it ain't gotta be perfect or nothing like that. I did weld this bracket, which you just saw a minute ago. And I connected the steering linkage over here, so now it does function. As you can see, I just have to connect the tie rod to this other side down yonder, and then she'll be finished. But I'll show you here. I do have a little work to do. See this tie rod here? It's broken there. It should look like that. But yeah, it's broken. And that'll be the next project. I'll put it on the next video. I do have the parts for it, but I do not have the time today to show you that. But yeah, that'll be it there. I just have to weld a washer that looks something like this right onto there. And that'll be the end of that. It's okay if it moves a little bit, it has a little bit of play. We're not going to be doing 100 miles per hour. I hope to get it to 20 miles per hour. But if I get it to that, I'll be lucky. Thanks for watching.